Then go user item you are under the file. Message was coming as alert. This message should go to the file where we can see the read write. So compile your project. React and Node1 both. Reply also once it start. I will move next. Okay, so compiled 6 people. Anyone going on? Prakash is 2 times. Mohammed, for you, are you compiling?
Yes, sir, I'm doing that. What is this node1? What is
Node1? You should run the API file, yeah?
Yes. That one is started, yeah.
Started, then React?
React started, sir.
Started?
Yeah, this one not started, yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Then why you forget? You make a note properly.
Yes, sir. Done. Yeah. Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
This page is loading. This data we need to send to the server and store inside the file. So come next. This alert was written. Alert let it be. We have to now collect this new message and then we need to send to the backend. We need a URL. So let's keep a URL something like this. Let URL equal to save message. URL equal to save message. URL equal to save message. Next, after that, next we will write here column file data. We will have a variable called file data. We have already my message. My image deleted. Message colon new message. Next, let post data equal to headers. Content type. Content type application/JSON. Next, after that, method post. Next, body JSON.html my image. Next, after that, page function URL comma post data dot then response dot text dot then response image convert to the response image, then peak message we need to clear the text field. Then after that, you need to call the get data again to reload the message. To reload the message list. Reload the message. Did this much, not test as of now, because we have to write the save message API in the backend. Once that save message API is ready, then we can test it. Save message API, we have to write, then we can test it. Completed all. Move next. Write this one. Okay. Below, one more thing you have to complete for this text area. Value property we need to call. We have new message variable. We need to call here value property and append with that value equal to new MSC to clear the text field. That is to clear the text field. Then move to the API 1.js file. Write a function here. Save file. App.post. From there, which method you are calling? From my file, which method we called here? Post. And you are sending the content in this variable, message variable. So using the post method, you have to receive this message. In message, the content will come from the new message. New message will bring from the text area and give to the message. So we'll go to the here. And what is the function name we wrote there? Called save message. Save message, comma, request, response. Let data equal to request dot body dot that variable, message variable. Request dot body dot message variable. Below you will write response dot send. Response dot send your message is data variable, and response dot end. We will see whether data is getting received or not. So even we'll write from node. From node. Your message is particular. Enter something. I click on send button. Alert should come. Alert should come like from node. Your message is your message, whichever you are sending from there. That should come as alert. If alert is coming means Execution is proper. You can see here. I will write the message for Bangalore. From node, your message is. So this message is coming from where? From the node.js. Node is sending to React. React is receiving under this variable. Here, response dot text. After that text is going to the response message. A response message you are getting as an alert. So we capture from user and send to the node. Node has replied back saying like we received your message. Now this message that is stored in data variable, we have to add under this file. Message.txt file. Message.txt file. Message.txt file. Now you will come here and you will write inside fs.append file. Fs.append file. Like file already exists. Inside the file, data is also there. We are going to add the new message at the end of the file. File is already exists. In that existing file, you are going to add the new message. That new message, how we can add? With the help of append file. Read file will read the message. Write file will write the message. If you use here write means it will update the old message. Old message will get replaced by the new message. You are saying here append file means file have the data, let it be at end, add some more message. Append file. Give the file name. Message.txt. Then after that, pass the new data. That is called data variable. Then after that again, comma, function, error, and data. And these two lines, you will cut from outside and go under inside. Paste these two lines inside only. Saying like, your message received. Your message received. Your message is received. Heading for error. At Bangalore. Bangalore came in the last. Then Mumbai. After that Mumbai. Next Delhi. After that Delhi. It will keep adding. And this data is getting added in your file. Which file? Message.txt file. You can see it's getting added here. Now what we want is, whenever we send the new message to server, server should receive the message. And after receiving the message, server should return. But when the message comes here, it should display in the paragraph. 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph. Because as of now it is storing in one file, in text format. Whenever it will come in the text only. We will store in the backend in the paragraph, where we are storing the message. Here we will store in paragraph. Like how many times we'll send the message, that many it will create a paragraph. Okay, it will not store simple message. Okay. Right, come now then. First to clear this text file. Clear the text file. Refresh the React, message will be empty, no data. Go to the again my file.js file. In my file, not my file, API.js, where you have received the content. So data become as a, now right here left final data. Paragraph open close. Paragraph open and close. Under this paragraph, you can apply a class also, so that when the message will come in the front end, it will display automatically. All LG 3 or 4, let's keep 4. MB 4. Next, after that, here you pass the data variable. Pass the data variable. So when it is going to add a new message, it will not be only text. It will be in the form of. Okay. Or also what we can do is, okay, so let's do like this. Don't add this one. Paragraph. Add in the last just a comma. Add in the last one comma. After the message, we will add a comma. After the message, we'll add a comma. Okay, so our content will be comma separated. Message will be comma separated. When content will come in the front end comma separated, we can convert the string to array, and then we can run the loop there. Okay. So now this final data you pass here. Dot data to the final data. Every message will come separated by comma. Between first message and second message, there will be comma. First message and second message, there will be comma. Now try adding some message and see the message is coming separated by comma. message will come. Suppose Bangalore, save, Mumbai, save, Chennai, save. When we are displaying the content, there should not be comma in the last. In file message, let it be separated by comma. But when it display in the front end, after the last Chennai, there is no value, why comma? After Chennai, there is no next value, then why comma? Correct? So that we can do in the front end. That we can do in the React. We can remove the last comma using JavaScript function. So your value is separated by comma. Now let me guide you how to remove the last comma. JavaScript, remove last comma, last character from a string. So substring function is yours. Let me see. Substr. Here is point. Okay, cool. So we can use string.substring, string.length -1. This we have to do. Let me guide you where to write. Come to your React file, my file, and you have a function called getFile. GetFile we have getData. Inside the getData function, we will modify a little. My file dot substring, and in that substring 0 mile dot length. And this. Is that any simple method? It took like complicated. Slice simple here. Slice here. See how small line. Wait. Here slice we can use simple. str, that is nothing but my file dot slice 0 -1. My file dot slice 0, -1. My file dot slice 0, -1. It should work. It's working also. Last comma is not come. Coming. My file dot slice 0, none. Now you add some more message and see. In the file there will be comma, but while displaying in the front end, last comma will get removed. In the file there will be comma. Okay. Let's come next. I will add here one more. Delhi will get added in the last. Rohitaka will get added in the last. Okay. Now file is able to store the value and it is able to get post is happening. Like able to post. This is coming in the form of a string, but it is just like a single dimensional array. Now I will try to find out the solution of converting from this string to array. So it should convert into single dimensional array. String to array. Let me get some solution from here. JavaScript string to array. Split function. String with the comma to array. There will be many solutions. So this is the string. Look at the code. How can convert? Let us see here what people says. JSON.parse. Simple array member like that, you can use JSON.parse. Okay, means it is adding this one in the beginning and it is adding in the last. Then it's becoming a JSON. Now JSON to array. And then give the array to whom? Our state. And from the state we can read it easily. Let me guide you now. Come to the code. Look at here. Here what we did, we removed the last comma. That is perfect only. We require to remove the last comma. Look at here. In the beginning what you have given? No data. Why? Because earlier it was in the form of a string. Now remove this and make it an empty array. Make it an empty array. because our data is going to the backend. It is storing in the file system. From there we read it. Now we are going to convert that string separated comma is there. Separated comma string is coming. That string we are going to convert into array so that we can run the map function inside the page. And how many times you send the message, that many times the loop will run here. Okay. In the file it will store in the string, but in front end it will be have like an array. So this array you given by default. Now let's come here. Before updating to the state, we have to do the following stuff. Step number one is this line. You cut from here. My file we have written. Right? Cut from here and put here. At the place of a string. At the place of a string, you keep that. Now your string was coming Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, something. So hold on. You write first this section. First complete this line. JSON.parse. This one plus this one. Okay. JSON.parse. First section plus the last section. Inside that, what we have written here, that line is the net now. My file.slice slice. Step by step also I can do and I'll show you. अभी रुकिए step by step करते हैं. Okay. Let. But here we can create let or not. That is also question. Okay. Let a string equal to okay, or another one. Let it be this line. Little understanding is required. We need to. Okay. So now see JSON.parse is here. This line we added in the beginning. This line we added in the last. So what is that happening is, that is happening like this. This one. Okay. A square bracket added in the beginning, a square bracket added in the last. Now in between what will come? In between your value will come. What was those values? It was like this. Bangalore, comma, Mumbai, comma, Delhi. It was like this. Now this becomes an array. Now from array, it is not become an array. It becomes a JSON, because JSON.parse we are going to follow here. JSON.parse. Why JSON.parse? Because data is coming in the form of this converted into JSON. From JSON we are going to convert into array now here. Okay, so this is the content. This only is forming here. Right here called let my data. Let my data equal to this all story. Finally, my data will be given to this one. Update state, update file data. So this double quote added here in the beginning. What is that? It is adding the square bracket. This is added in the last, adding the square bracket. In between, my file.slice. My file.slice for what purpose? To remove the last comma from the string. After removing the last comma from a string, it will add the square bracket in the beginning and it will add the square bracket in the last. So this will be the structure of your content. Now this JSON, with the help of JSON.parse, you are converting into an array, JSON to array. And finally, my data you given to update file data. So file data variable, it will not be now hold as a string. It will hold the data in the form of array. We can print the length also in the bottom and see. So let us see. Hope it should work. So modified, return this line. After that, we got the array is passing to where? File data. Come down below, or I'll share you this two line. This two line is sent in your chat. Those two line is sent in the chat. You can take that two line and put here. But make sure here you are given a square bracket, because your container must be a nature of array. Then only it will hold the array. Else it will refuse to hold the array. Coming down now. File data. As per our understanding, the file data is in the form of array. We will try to print here how many messages we have. So we can write here total message, file data.length. Just print only length first. Paragraph will do later. First print only the length. File data.length. File data.length. In browser, it is displaying the length for me. How many? Okay, unexpected character line number 1, end of the statement, something. JSON.parse. Oh, comma is here. Here we remove the comma at all. Okay, still it is coming in the form of file data. JSON dot my data we given here. It look like unable to parse that. Because of that, throw the error. Unable to parse. Let me see that solution where we took the guide. So this fellow says this is the JSON. Parse happen. Even if tick mark also. If you use a split, you will end up with an array of string. Dot split. Okay, understood. Dot split. dot split is array. Okay, now I have to do R&D here. Wait, I will not call anything at this point. 2 minutes wait, we'll find out the solution. What is the content is coming in this? I'll filter it out. What this fellow said? Any best answer? Oh. Okay. See, giving me how many? 5. Let me add one more. Yeah. 6. It is simple solution. Now you don't need to add this entire story. Go here. My file dot slice we have written. Dot slice we have written. No? My file of slice 0, 1 we have written. Dot split 1. Okay, so first it remove the last comma, and after that convert into array. First it will remove the last comma using this, and after that convert into array. My file dot slice 0, -1 dot split, and then my data you send here. My data you send here. Give the length below. Here, my file data dot length. File data dot length. It should give the length of total message. This 2 line is coming to your chat. Last 2 line was not right. You can replace last 2 line. It should work. But what will happen is sometime error. So working for how many people? Let me know in chat. Yes, no. Now suppose you are writing the message to someone. Your sentence is bigger. You can put comma also in between. When you put the comma in between, then what will happen? It will become 2 messages. 1 message first line, second message second line. So we'll not put comma. Okay, we'll do something else. Right? What we'll do? Come to the backend first. Comma wherever you have, you replace with a hash. Comma replace with a hash. Comma replace with a hash. All the comma replace with a hash. Replace with a hash. Hash. Last comma also replace with a hash. So from beginning, if you give a space, also no problem. Give a space, hash. So now each message is separated by hash. If you put comma, single quote, double quote, there is no problem. Okay, so it will give the normal text. Please replace the message with hash. Replaced. In the API.js file, where we have kept the comma, in the last we are appending with comma, a space from both the sides, then hash. A space, hash. Before hash space, after hash also space. So that when you add the new message, hash will get added. Hash will get added. So API file updated. Now come to the my file. We have kept here comma you have kept, comma you replace with the hash. Don't give a space, only put hash. Comma you replace with the hash. Here it will remove the last string. Last string will be extra hash. That hash will get removed. After removing the hash, again it will split by hash. And then how many hash will come? That many element. Length is perfect now. Length should be as usual. Refresh your page, you will find length is as usual. You can add the new message. Message will get increased. Length will also get increased. Right? So this is called processing of the data. Data is stored somewhere else. You are processing somewhere else. Maybe someone will read the same message and display altogether. Someone can read the same message and maybe display different format. Maybe someone can read the same message and display in some other technique. Okay. Now we got the content in the form of array. An array given to the file data. Now file data is here printing the length. Correct? Come inside. This is the 4 you have follow. No. This all was within the 12. Correct? This all was within the 12. So within the 12, this one, 12 is a column, right? So border we have written, put here a row, so that inside we can run the loop. A row, Okay, or wait a minute. Row don't write here. 4 messages. Okay, come inside now. Create a division. Class equal to row. Under this row, now run the map function. File data dot map. File data dot map. MSG, comma index. Return paragraph. Class name. Call LG6 or maybe 4. You can write MB4. Inside that, you print that MSG and use the key property also here as index. You will find how many messages you will write. That many call LG4 it will create. That many call LG4 it will create. It is single map, simple map. Within the division, row under the row, file data dot map, then paragraph generate call LG4, MB4, so that top to bottom there will be some gap. Is printed like this. Bangalore, Mumbai, this one, this one, this one, this one. Printing the messages. Printing the messages. Whichever the message you will write here, your message will store and it will come successfully. It will print here. Comma is also possible to add now. Just we have to protect from the head. There should not be hashtag. Hashtag should not be there. How many times you want, you can add the message. The message will appear successfully. Coming. We can add one more line. Post time, post date time. Okay, time dot date dot to local string. Okay, so hope message displayed for everyone. Length shows 8. 7 word, length shows 8. Where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe the last comma is there, no? Last split we have done. Correct. That will be counting. There, here. Okay, that is next. We can do R&D. That is not a big problem. Here we have done -1. That is also counting. Okay. Hash is coming the last one hash. That is also getting counted. First we have to do this. We have to store in a different variable. Then that will be okay. We have to put in different variable. First we have to remove the string. You can do like this here. See, that is not a big problem. You can write let str. Let str equal to remove this much first. Okay. Keep here. So what will happen now? It will remove the last string. After removing the last string, str went here. Then you write str dot split. So first you remove the string and then you do the split. I will verify my code once. Still showing how many? 13 only. 13 why it's coming down now? Still 13 only comes. Look like this is not removing the last string. Oh, understood. What is that? Space is there, yeah. At last space is coming. Space is coming, right? Hold on. Let me do -2 here. Code is correct. -2. M12. Message remains same. See, when you look into your file here, can you see after the line, hash is coming? After hash, there is a space is there. So it is removing a space. It's not removing the hash. So your code is correct only. Just give here -2. Where is that? -2 you give. Old code was also fine. -2. -2 means remove a space and remove hash. Okay. Remove a space, remove hash. Now it will give you actual length. Remove a space, -2 you do, then it will happen. Old code was also perfect. Now just undo it to -2. Remove last 2 pairs. Remove last 2 pairs. Characters. Happen. Now, while posting the data, before hash, we need to add the post time. So, I'll try here call a plus, again plus, 1 plus will be in the beginning. Do one more plus. Inside we'll write minus. Plus minus not calculation. Plus means what? Concatenation. Minus means space. Okay. Then again I'll do here 1 plus and I'll write date dot to don't know which function is that, to string. I will see what is coming in that. Okay, date dot to string. It should give me the actual date of today. Mumbai. Oh, native code. 1 minute. JavaScript. Take date time. Oh, new ICD was there. एक मिनट. Lengthy. Can you see this? We want this one. We wanted this much. New date to string. I will store it. Hold on. I'll test it once, then you can try. Daily. See daily. 24/7/2023. 8/13/27. 27 is what? 37 is the second. Second, minute, hour, day, month, year. Okay. Take this. Plus date dot to local string. It will show at this time the message was posted. I did post a new message and check it should work. Post the new message